Good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. It's an absolute honor to be here among such esteemed speakers and panelists. Without a doubt, AI has taken over the world by storm. Whether it is Morgan Stanley's open AI powered chatbots to support financial advisors or Bloomberg's generative model, Bloomberg GPT, AI is revolutionizing the dynamic field of finance. When we think of finance, the thought that immediately flashes through our minds is money, huge spreadsheets, and lots of numbers. So, some of the implicit benefits of AI in the finance industry include improving operational efficiency, reducing human errors, and automating some routine tasks like data entry, which helps finance professionals to focus on more valuable tasks like strategic management. AI has the power to analyze vast amounts of data and generate meaningful reports, which help stakeholders with improved decision making as it turns the data into actionable insights. I work in transfer pricing, which is a field of tax. Now, there are around 200 jurisdictions across the world, with each having its own tax legislation. For instance, during the first 3 months of COVID, Brazil alone made around 3,000 amendments to its tax legislation. So AI has the capability to make sense of rapid developments in tax and generate advisories for tax professionals, which would be extremely daunting to execute manually. With that said, business acumen is something that AI cannot replicate. And Elon Musk has profoundly said that humans are often underrated. So far, AI tools and applications are not able to reproduce human input in the same way with the same effect when it comes to strategic management and planning. And in fact, overdependence on AI can also result in a lack of creative thinking and analysis, which could stifle advanced decision making. Now, AI has this issue of inherent bias, and the complex financial models that are designed using algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. So, who do we hold accountable for incorrect or inaccurate financial results due to data bias or flawed algorithms, which could result in massive financial losses, penalties, or damage to corporate reputation? After all, we can't really take machines to court. Artificial intelligence definitely has a promising future in the finance industry, but the widespread deployment and success across different applications within the finance industry remains to be seen. Now, AI may eventually make a lot of routine jobs redundant, but human input will always remain indispensable to propel the finance industry. To conclude, in my opinion, the power of AI can certainly not be undermined, and it is definitely here to stay in the finance industry and in every sector of our lives. However, human intelligence is an elusive ingredient which draws a distinction between machines and the human mind. Thank you so much.